Hello, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel to all my dear viewers. Today we will discuss class 9 maths problem exercise 2.5 question number 14 as well as question number 15. Here we were given with some question, and in the first, which is in question number 14, we were given without actually calculating the cube, find the values of each of the following. Means here whatever it is given, instead of cubing directly, we have to use some identities which will be used instead of cubing directly these given numbers, and whatever values that we got, that will be the answer for this. Is it clear? That's what the question has asked us to do in this. Now, without delaying much time, let us solve the first Roman number. It is, here we are given that minus 12 cube, and after that we have this 7 whole in cube, and after that 5 cube, right? Then let us name this. Let a equal to minus 12 and b is equal to 7, and after that c will be equal to 5. It is c. Yes, even in earlier class we just explained the identities, which is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, which is equal to a plus b plus c, and after that we have a plus b plus c, and then we have a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. That's the identities, and even here we have to use that one. In order to use this, first of all let us identify what will be the values to each of this. A will be minus 12 and b will be 7 and c will be 5, right? Then let us take this. What is this? First let us write like this: a plus b plus c. Now what is the values of a? It is minus 12, and here we have plus. Let us write that. And what is the values of b? It is 7, and what is the values of c? It is 5, right? Now minus 12, and if you plus this 2, then it will get 12. Means minus plus is minus, or 12 minus 12, it will give you 0. In order to understand, or in order to denote this, just cancel this 2 and then it will get 0, right? Now the values of a plus b plus c that we have in hand, it is 0, right? Here we'll use the identities. It is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, and after that we have a plus b plus c, and then a square plus b square plus c square, right? Now let us write in downside. It will be minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the identities. It will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now let us see what is the values of a plus b plus c. It is 0. Then instead of this, in place of this, let us put that one, and whatever the values it is, just write it as it is. It will be minus ab, and after that let us write here minus bc minus ca. Clear? So if you multiply this, what will you get? It is 0, right? Equal to 0. Then you move this minus 3abc on the other side, that it will become like this. Is it clear? And now let us put the values. What is this? Instead of writing like this, let us write what is this. It is minus 12. Minus 12 cube. And values of b that we have is, it is 7. 7 cube. And values of c that we have, it is 5. 5 cube. Is this clear? Then it will be 3abc. What is the values of that? It is minus 12. And what is the values of b? It is 7. And what is the values of c? It is 5. Now, if you multiply all these things, then how much will you get? It will be 1260, right? And what is the sign that we have? It is minus. Minus into plus will give you minus. Thus, we got minus 1260, right? This will be the answer for this. Then if it is clear to all of you, then we'll move to the next one, which is Roman number 2. Same as the one that we did here, even in this, the step will be same. Here we'll not write this much of identities. Actually, even here it is same. We'll just proceed it from this. It will be 28 cube minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube, right? And let a value should be 28, b value should be minus 15, and c value should be minus 13. A plus b plus c. What is the values of this? Just put it. It will be minus 15, and after that it will be minus 13, alright? And 28 minus into plus will be minus, and minus into plus will be minus, right? It will be minus 15, it will be minus 13. Then equal to minus into minus is plus, but the greater sign that we have, or the sign just before this greater number, it is minus. We have to take that. And minus into minus is plus. We have to use that one. After using this, how much will you get? 15 plus 30 will give you 28. Now, subtracting the same number from this, it is 0. In order to denote this, just mark it or just cancel this two. Then, what is the values that we got at last? It is 0. Now, the values of a plus b plus c that we have in this, it is 0. Then let us move to the next. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. You see here, since the values of a plus b plus c that we have, it is 0. In order to understand it better, let us write it again once more. BC minus CA, right? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. And what is the values of this? Here, instead of writing one more step, we'll just jump into some other step to minimize the time. Alright, it will be 0. What is the values of a plus b plus c that we have? It is 0. A plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now, you just put that 1 and multiply with this, and the number that is multiplied with 0, it'll be 0 again, right? We use that 1. Then move this minus 3abc on the other side, then it will become positive of 3abc. What is the values of a that we have in this? It is 28 cube plus, what is this? It will be minus 15 cube. And then what is that? Minus 13 cube, right? And then what is this? Here we have 3 and then 3abc. What is the values of a? It is 28. And then what is the values of b? It is minus 15. And then what is the values of c? It is, let us write here, it is minus 13. There. Now if you multiply all these things, then it will get 13860, right? And what is the sign that we have? It is minus. Here it is minus. Minus into minus will give you how much? It will be plus. Sorry, it should be 16380, right? And minus into minus, if you multiply it, you will get positive, right? Is this clear to all of you? Then if it is clear, then I will move to the next step. It is question number 15. Here we are given that give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangle and which their areas are given. Here areas are given to us. From this we have to find it, the possible length and breadth, right? Now without delaying much time, even here let us start with the first Roman number. First let us write it same as the question that we have. It will be 35a plus 12. Now the things that we'll do here, it is to split it. Just write this 25a square minus 35a plus 12. It will be, just split this. First, in order to split this, there is a rule for this. What is that? It is 12, right? Now, even in some earlier class, we did splitting the middle term. Even here we have to use that. Now if you multiply this 25 and 12, you will get 300, right? Now 300, just take it an LCM to this. Here let us take it 300. 12 into 15. 12 into, just take it directly. If we took some step, then it will be like this. It will go on like this, but to minimize the time, just do it directly or just do it shortcut, alright? 12 into 50, it will give you 300, right? Or you can do it even in this. 2150 will give you how much? It will be 300, and 275, it will be 150. Is this clear? Then 3 times 5 will give you how much? It is 15, and 2, it will be 7, right? 5 into 5 will give you how much? 15. 5 into 5 will give you 25. Then arrange this in order to get this 12 and 15. And after you arrange in this, then by using the sign that we have here, we'll just put here and use a sign here. Then add this two, that it will get the same thing, the same number. If you can get that, then the way how you proceed your problem, it is right. Now what is this? 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is how much? It is 12, right? 4 times 3 is 12 and 12, 5 times 5 is how much? 25. Means here it should be 15 into 20. Just multiply these two, and 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 5 is how much? 20. 20 into 15. Clear? Now if you plus this 20 into 15, 20 and 15, then I will get 35. Alright? Let us write that 15 plus how much it is? 20. Multiplying these two will give you how much? It is 300. And then after this, let us move to the next step. It is 25a square. Minus into plus is minus. 15 into a, it is a. 15 into a is 15a. Minus plus is minus. 20 into a will give you 20a. And here we have 12. Now, our next step will be to take out some common from this. In order to take this, first of all, let us take 5. 5a. 5 times 4 is 5 times 5 is 25, and a times a will give you a square. And 5a into 3, if you multiply this, then it will get 15a. And right after this, let us move to this, and what it will be here? It is 4. Now 4 times 5 is how much? 20. And 5 into 4 will give you 20a. And what is this? Plus. Minus into minus will give you plus. And 4 times 3 is 12. Clear? Now we have to arrange it. Whatever data we got it from this, it will be 5a minus 3. Let us take this one. Let us take this as first, and after that we have this 5a minus 4. What is the question? The question is that from this given area we have to find the possible length and breadth. You write it, one possible answer, right? Here, what is that? It is length. What is the length? Here it is length. It is 5a minus 3. And after that, it is breadth. Breadth is how much? It is 5a minus 4. Is it clear to all of you? Then let us move to this. If it is clear, then I will move to the next. Here we have the same question which we just solved in Roman number 1. It is Roman number 2. Now let us start from this. It will be 35y square plus 30y minus 12. Same as the one that we did here. Even here we have to split it. By splitting the middle term, we have to take it out some common, and whatever common that we took, that will be the answer for this. Now if you multiply these two, then it will get, let us check this, 35 into 12. 5 2 are 10, 3 times 2 is 6, 7, 5 1 is 5, and 3 1 is 3, 3 plus, sorry, it will be 3, it will be 12, 420, right? Now if you multiply this, you will get 420, then take LCM to this 420. 2, how much will it be? It will be 21, 0, right? and 2, 10, 5. And after that it will be 3, 5 is 5, 3, 3 are 9, 3, 5 is 15, right? And then here it will be 5, 5 into 7. Now just combine all this in order to get the one that we have here. It is 420. It will be 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 7 is how much? It is 28. 28 minus 15. 28 minus 15 will give you 13, and 28 into 15, if you multiply it, then it will get 420, right? Now let us take this. It will be how much? It is 28 minus 15 y. It is 35y square plus, if you multiply this, then it will get 28y minus plus is minus, 15 into y is 15y minus 12. Then here we have to take it some common out of these two. It will be 7. 7 5 for 35, and a y into y is y square, right? And 7y into 4, if you multiply these two, then it will get 28. And here we have minus. Let us take that. From these two, what number can we take it common out of this? It is 3. 3 times 5 will give you 15. Just add y, and then 3 times 4, it will be 12, right? And here we have minus. In order to get minus by using this, here it must be plus. Minus into plus will give you minus. Then even here we have to take it 7y, and after that we have 7y. How much it is? 7y minus 3. Sorry, it should be 5y plus 4, and after that it is 7y minus 3. Clear? What is the question? The question has access to find possible length. One possible answer. ANSWR answer is length. How much it is? The first one let us take. What is that? It is 5y plus 4. And breadth, what is that? It is b equal to, let us take this, it is 7y minus 3. This is all the problem. Guys, is it clear to all of you? Alright, this is all about the problem that will be solved today. Guys, if you have any doubt in understanding this, please ask me in the comment section. And that's all for today. I wish you all the best. Hopefully we'll meet in the next. We'll see in the next videos. Thank you.